Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel once again. Are you ready for a career that revolves around unforgettable life experiences? If yes, then join GameTime Jobs, where they have opened doors to exciting opportunities in the world of live events. The exciting thing is they are all remote jobs, so you need only a laptop or a mobile phone in your hand. Do you want to dive into the details of these jobs? Okay, stay tuned until the end of this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends or relatives. So the jobs being offered are engineering, fan happiness, ticket OPS, trust and safety. But we'll be looking at tickets OPS only. And the reason is that anyone from any field and background can apply for this job. Let's first look at the Game Time's mission. GameTime's goal is to unite people through live experiences. They have created platform for iOS, Android, mobile web, and desktop, offering access to over 25,000 events across the US and Canada. They are revolutionizing the event ticket industry to make accessing live experience effortless and in sync with today's fast-paced lifestyle. GameTime seeks an enthusiastic and self-motivated ticket operations associate for a full-time 40 hours per week role. You have to work 40 hours a week, which means you may work for straight 2 to 3 hours or you may work the whole week as it is event-based job. And you might expect to work on weekend and holiday as these are prime times for events and ensuring excellent customer service during these periods is essential. Don't be scared. You might have to work on the weekend only and rest of week you might be chilling. But it solely depends on the events and their timings. Now let's discuss what you will do. Efficiently and proactively communicating with sellers via phone and email. In this role, you'll need to be efficient and proactive when talking to the people selling tickets through game time. You'll use both phone and email to engage with them effectively. This is essential for a smooth operation. Responsible for maintaining certain margins on order sourcing. You will be in charge of ensuring that the profit margins on the tickets you source meet specific standards. This involves making sure Game Time is making money while offering competitive prices. Because the ultimate goal of any company is that the employees provide them with some profits. Respond quickly to orders and internet external communications requiring attention. Timeliness is crucial in any sort of job. You'll need to promptly handle incoming tickets, orders, and address any communication, whether it's from colleagues within the company or external parties, that needs immediate attention. Provide above and beyond wow GT experience while helping customers with their purchasing needs. So your goal is to give customers a top-notch experience that goes beyond their expectations. This means providing exceptional service and assistance when customers are buying tickets. You make sure that they become your permanent customers. Be a passionate product expert and be able to answer and take ownership of any and all questions that come your way. You'll need to become an expert on Game Time's product and services. You should be ready to answer any questions customers or colleagues might have and take responsibility for finding solutions. Build loyalty among sellers to both fall in love and stay in love with Game Time. This means you'll work on developing strong relationships with the people who sell tickets through Game Time. The aim is to make them happy with the service so they continue to use Game Time as their platform of choice. So after looking at all these requirements, I have come to know that your communication skill is the key to do this job. If your communication skills are strong, then you can do this job effortlessly. And this will be an easy job for you to do because communication skills is not everybody's cup of tea. So here in this section we'll be looking at the skills Game Time needs for this particular sort of job. Ninja like skills on the internet, ability to leap to multiple sites and tasks with lightning speed. This means you should be highly skilled at using the internet and be able to quickly switch between various websites and tasks, similar to how Ninja moves swiftly and adeptly. The flexibility of a professional athlete when it comes to your availability to work, that is, our earliest shift starts at 7 a.m. PST and our latest shift goes until 9 p.m. PST. So you should be as flexible with your work hours as a professional athlete is with their training schedule. The job may require you to work early mornings and late evenings with this time frame. Confident speaking and writing skills. You should be comfortable and skilled in both spoken and written communication. This is crucial for interacting with sellers, colleagues, and customers effectively. You're attentive and a problem solver. Being attentive means paying close attention to details, and being a problem solver means you can find solutions to challenges that arise in your role. You can make quick decisions in stressful environments. This suggests that you should be able to remain calm and make fast, effective decisions even when the work environment becomes stressful or hectic. Experience with ticketing as a customer, sports, concerts, etc. You should have personal experience purchasing tickets for events like sports games or concerts, which will help you better understand the customer's perspective. Knowledge of the sports industry, NBA, MLB, NFL, NHL, MLS, NCAA, etc. Familiarity with various sports leagues and events is valuable for this role as it allows you to relate to both customers and sellers who are part of the sports industry. Knowledge and experience with iOS and Android products, platforms and devices. You should be familiar with using and troubleshooting iOS and Android devices and applications. This knowledge is beneficial for assisting customers who may have questions or issues related to these platforms. These qualities and skills are important for success in the ticket operations associate role at game time, as they enable you to efficiently handle various aspects of the job and provide excellent service to customers and partners. Education required. Well, specific educational requirements are not mentioned, which means there is no specific degree that you must hold in order to apply for this job. But here are some points that you should keep in your mind. First of all, attention to detail. You must be highly detail oriented, taking pride in ensuring accuracy and frequently double checking your work. Positive attitude. A good attitude is crucial. You are willing to put in the effort, learn, and innovate with excellent communication skills, including the ability to explain your work to executives. Data literacy. Proficiency in Excel or data management tools is preferred but not mandatory. Persistence. You are unafraid of trying new things, learning from failure, and adapting with new strategies for success. Self motivation. You are driven, hands on, and focused on executing tasks effectively. Resourcefulness. You're a creative problem solver when faced with various challenges. Interest in sports entertainment. Having a passion for the sports and live entertainment industry is a bonus. So, if you have a sports background or you are a fan of the sports mentioned above, or you have knowledge about these sports, then you are a bright candidate for this job. Now, let's go through what Game Time can offer. Flexible PTO. Enjoy the flexibility to take time off as needed to recharge and attend to a personal matters. And they mean it. Equity. Become a part owner of the company through equity options, aligning your success with the company's growth. Medical, dental, and vision insurance. Assess comprehensive health average including medical, dental, and vision plans to ensure your well-being. Life insurance and disability benefits. Protect your future with life insurance and disability benefits, providing financial security for you and your loved ones. 401k HSA pre-tax savings programs. Plan for your financial future with options like a 401k health saving account HSA and pre-tax saving programs. New equipment setup provided. Get the tools and resources you need to excel in your role with state-of-the-art equipment. Diverse family forming benefits through carried fertility. Assess a range of family forming benefits through carried fertility, supporting your family planning journey. Wellness programs. Invest in your health and well-being with wellness programs designed to help you stay fit and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Tenure recognition. Your dedication and commitment won't go unnoticed. They value and recognize long-term employees. Please note that the pay for positions and game time may vary based on a range of factors, including the market median of similar jobs according to third-party salary benchmark surveys. Individual pay within this range can differ due to factors such as skills, experience, and available budget. Currently, the pay rate is $20 per hour, but this may change as market conditions evolve. So in short, this is a very good opportunity for those who want to do remote jobs. That's all for today's video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.